Hi everyone. Today we are going to talk about 5.3D polynomial function to standard form. So we are going to learn how to rewrite polynomial functions as a standard form and find some function values. It will be very simple lesson today. So let's say you have a function f of x equal to x minus 5 times 2x squared plus 10x plus 47 and plus 240. So how can we rewrite this function into the standard form? So what should we do? We multiply the binomial and polynomial, right? And then combine like terms. So now let's try. So how do we do this? X times 2x squared will be 2x cubed, right? And then x times 10x will be 10x squared. And minus 5, x times 47 will be 47x. So if you are done with the x, now we move to the negative 5, right? Minus 5. So minus 5 times 2x squared is, yes, negative 10x squared. The negative 5 times 10x is negative 50x. The negative 5 times 47 is negative 235. And then we have a 240. There's nothing to multiply. You should just add the 240. Now we finished multiplying everything now. So what should we do? We combine like terms, right? To rewrite as a standard form, we should combine like terms. So do we have a 2x cubed? X cubed, any other x cubed? No, we have only one. So nothing to do with x cubed. How about x squared? Here's 10x squared minus 10x squared. What happened? They cancel each other. There's no more x squared. So we have a 2x cubed, but 0x squared, you don't need to write down. How about x? 47x minus 50x. 47x minus 50x. If you combine, what do you get? 47 minus 50 is negative 3. So negative 3x, right? So far, so 2x cubed minus 3x. But number, negative 235 plus 240. If you combine them, you get the plus 5. So this is it. 2x cubed minus 3x plus 5. This is the original function. Now, what did you learn before? We learned it if you divide this function by x minus 5, right? This is this binomial. If you divide this function 2x cubed minus 3x plus 5 by the binomial x minus 5, what happened? The quotient is the 2x squared plus 10x plus 47. And then remainder was 240. Is it familiar to you? Like this. So if you divide like this, you will get quotient is 2x squared plus 10x plus 47, and remainder will be 240. So if you can use the synthetic division, right, to verify this. But I will not do this here. So I needed to, relate this and this. The function, if you have the function like this, you know how to multiply and simplify and rewrite as a standard form, right? If you have a standard form, also if you divide by any binomial, this will be the quotient and this part was the remainder. Do you understand? Now, how do you find the function value from these functions? Let's say f over 5. What does it mean, f over 5? F over 5 means function value when x equal to 5. Function value means y value, right? So what is y value when x equal to 5? How do you get the y value? We plug x equal to 5 into the function, right? So now we know that these, the first one and second one, they are equivalent. So you can use either one. Right? Let's try both of them. So if you first one, if you plug x equal to 5 like this, 5 minus 5 and 2, 5 squared plus 10 times 5 plus 47 plus 240. No matter what this part is, we know that the first parenthesis, take a look, this is 0, right? So 0 times whatever it is becomes 0. So function value f of 5 is equal to 240. Makes sense? So so later we are going to review one more time. We call it remainder theorem. When you divide by x minus 5, your function value f of 5, look at this. When you plug x equal to 5 here, it make everything 0, and then you get the remainder, right? We are going to review one more time next day in the next lesson. Now, let's plug this f of 5 to this equation, this function. Same, it's equivalent, but it's a standard form. So let's try. So 2 x is 5 times 5 to the third power minus 3 times 5 plus 5. So if you plug in as it is into the calculator, what do you get? 240. Exactly the same, right? So when you plug x equal to 5 into the function, either that blue one or right, the red one, which is standard form, both function will give you 240 when x equal to 5. Everybody understand, right? Then you know how to plug F1. Either one you can choose. So you don't need to do the both. So choose easier one, whatever you like, right? But looks like the second one is easier for me, F1, right? So 2 times 1 to the third minus 3 times 1 plus 5 is equal to what? 4. Do you understand? Okay, let's stop here.